Laila, the hero we can get from the X3 season saga, is getting popular. How does she work? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Unlike in previous gameplay, this Saga hero can only be recruited through the knife bounty events instead of the Hymn Conch. We spent 110 knives on this event and were fortunate enough to ascend her to 6 stars. Was this a good investment? Let's discuss. Skills. Her rage skill increases the attacks of 5 allied ships by up to 24% for 5 seconds. For each defeated ship in your fleet, it will increase the effect by 1%. The effect is beneficial if we can trigger it at the right time. For example, if Laila can cast skill before other allied ships, she can increase the attacks of 5 ships in advance. When these allied ships cast rage skill, their damage will be increased. Otherwise, the effect might only benefit the basic attacks or the rage skill in the next round. We can apply the rage technique in this video to ensure Laila casts her rage skills earlier. Her second, third, and fourth skills are triggered when an allied ship is killed. Her second skill increases damage reduction for all allied ships by up to 3% until the end of the battle. This effect can stack up to 10 times, but since we only have 6 ships in the fleet currently, we won't be able to maximize the stacks. Her third skill restores up to 16 rages to all allied ships and heals them for up to 100% of her ship's attack. While 100% seems impressive, the healing amount could be less than 3% of a ship's maximum HP, which isn't very significant. Her fourth skill increases the damage received by the attacker by up to 19% in 8 seconds. Overall, we find the second, third, and fourth skills impractical, as they only activate when a ship is killed. This feels like a trade-off, and the effects aren't particularly outstanding. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Last skill. Her last skill is more interesting in Sea of Conquest. Laila applies a protection effect to the 3 allied ships with the highest attack at the start of the battle. This protection is activated for the first time these ships receive fatal damage. Instead of being destroyed, the ship will gain up to 9% of its maximum HP, allowing it to remain on the field. However, this effect isn't beneficial against a strong opponent. For instance, although our strategic and artillery ships were saved from Rinfu's attack, they quickly succumbed less than a second later. Furthermore, upon closer inspection of our cutthroat ship, we've noted that it only receives 325,715 hit points when it suffers a fatal strike, about 1.1% of its maximum HP, far less than the 6% we anticipated. Thus, this skill is impractical unless the developers significantly increase the healing amount. Otherwise, it merely prolongs the ship's life for 1 second. Trinket. Exorcism System is Laila's exclusive trinket. It reduces the burning and water damage received by her ship by up to 15%. When her ship takes 10 times of either burning or drowning damage, it will remove 1 stack of burning or taking on water from a random allied ship. This trinket is a defensive item we don't prioritize in our fleet design, so we won't rush to acquire it. To summarize, the only significant benefit we see in Laila is her ability to boost the attack of 5 allied ships by 24%. We do not prefer her other skills, as they only activate when a ship is destroyed. Her final skill is impractical since it only allows the ship to survive for 1 additional second. This is our opinion based on our setup style. If you have a different perspective, please share it in the comments. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.